What's going on, everybody? It's your boy LT the Megalodon, and I want to talk about how to maintain a hair unit or a system. So if you have one of these on right now, give you a couple tips and tricks to the trade that a lot of people probably don't tell you. A lot of barbers don't know because they don't wear it. 90-some% of the installers don't wear a system or a unit. And the difference between a system and a unit, we'll get into that later in some more videos. But a system is on a base, which is reusable. Hair unit is one-time wear directly to the scalp. But with that being said, how to maintain it. If you're out and about at the gym, or if you're in the sun like I am right now outside, if you have a hair unit, the 1 to 3 week, you might not want to use something like this right here because this is real porous. And what I mean by porous, you can see through it and you can see the little ridges and stuff in it. And what I mean by that is the hair gets trapped into the little holes. And so when you take it off, it'll kind of make the hair stand up. So if you really don't want that, or if you do decide to wear one of these with one of those on, you just got to know how to take it off. So if you do have this on with a 1 to 3 week hair unit, or if you're at the gym or in the swimming pool, yes, I did say swimming pool, or in the shower, if you do that or whatever, you want to make sure you pull down on it first, because if you don't, if you just grab it and take it off, the hair might get caught in it and it traps and it pulls it off. So what I mean by that, if you go to sleep, do what you do, the hair comes up through there with all the movement and everything that you're doing. So remember to pull down first. So the hair might be sticking up like this. When you pull down, the hair lays down. Grab it, pull forward, roll it back like this. The same way with the 1 to 3 to 4 month hair system. You're gonna do the same thing. You put it on just like this right here. Have it on. When you get ready to take it off, just pull it down, roll back, and everything is pretty much still in place. If something's out of place with the hair, the system or whatever, you can just brush it down or do whatever you want to do with it. If you got any more questions about anything dealing with a hair unit or a system, DM me, let me know what you think, and I'll gladly answer your questions.